Hello, welcome to Bella Roca. This is our view. Look at that. Beautiful, no? And that's the pool. We just got here a couple of minutes ago. We were upgraded to a suite. I wish we were upgraded to a villa, but that's there. That white thing, that one's there. That's a villa. Twice the price. And then this is our suite. And then that's our room. That's my mom. Kitchen. And the living room. And the balcony. And I haven't dressed up yet because I came from work. And this is the bathroom. And look who's swimming. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, swimming. And I think I will sleep first. Okay? Here in the helipad deck. We're supposed to watch the sunset, but the weather's too gloomy. So the clouds cover the sun. And there. See, it's really like Santorini. Because you see the, whoa, you see the horizon. It's better when there's sun now. And then that one is, that mountain there, yan. That's Marinduque. There's supposedly 2 more islands somewhere there. And there. And there, but you can't see it because it's too cloudy. And this is our ride, the golf cart. And then this is like their park or play area. So Josiah's playing catch with our driver. We're not allowed to drive the cart because it rained earlier today. And then this house you see right there. Wait. Right there. This one. That house. We'll pass by it later. That's supposedly the house of the owner, but they decided to make it a residential suite. 3 families can stay there. I think the rate's at like 150,000 pesos per night. O, diba? Good luck. And then these ones are the casitas, but they're not yet operational. We'll drive there later so you can see. So there. So a quick tour of Bella Roca. Hello, we are now here at Bella Roca at the Infinity or the Pavilion area. So it's all to ourselves. 15 people or 15 guests left today. There's a Zest Air flight. There's only 1 flight every day, and it's like early in the morning, so they had to check out at around 8 in the morning. We're the only ones left here, and I'm here making paitem. Jeff, this is for you. We love it because the sun's out. It's all bright and shiny. Look at that endless horizon. I love it. And then my mom and my son are there. Masyadong malamig yung water sa pool. Para siyang water sa fridge. So they decided to go to the beach. You see the color, oh, light blue to dark blue. It gets deep really quick. And then this is, you see that this one, that's where we're gonna have lunch. That's the bar. There's no one here but us. 13 guests arrived today, but they're probably still asleep. And then that bangka that you're seeing, that's the ride of the employees going to and from Marinduque. And then you're seeing that white house, parang house siya. That's actually the golf course. That's a clubhouse, but it's not yet open. Although the golf course is now open for play. So there. So love here from Marinduque. Mwah!